guys. Lucky inom ako.
Listen, if you're not going to communicate with me properly, I think I'm going to have to decline you. I'm sorry, but I'm declining you. It's over. No, you can't.
Yummy, guys.
Hey, you need to break those before you leave this.
Cookies. Ipaluto-luto ko na.
Oh my God. Fine, I'll get
Kills.
people just make messages. They don't even care. Are you kidding me? At least some
Mamaya na tayong maglaro ng luto-lutuan.
royal families.
Guys, wala na ako, kaya lalagay pa ako.
Hi, Juliet. What are you doing here?
Meron na ito, guys, oh.
Juliet, this is a dating show, and you're already
Ayan. Nalagyan ko na.
Kaya lang hindi ko na maiinit eh. Bukas mo na lang.
I can't say yes to you. That would just be messed up, and Clyde would probably beat me up too.
Tikman mo kung gusto mo.
Tapos na.
Teng! Tikman mo kung gusto mo.
Realize if I press the green button, that means we have to go on a date.
Mami, ano?
I will be furious.
Ano?
Magdadaro tayo. Wait, guys. Stop ko lang. Nasaan yung damit? Ay, hi. Stop ko lang na. At na, guys. Guys, gagalawin ko to, guys.
Ano ba rin?
Gagalawin ko to. Ito. Huwag na naman siya damitin. Bakit? Di pa dilim eh. Ay! Diba? Saan tulugan nila? Dito. Sa karibing ng baby. Umanta ito dito. Ang liit naman. Hindi lang yan. Ay. Hindi gabi na, diba? Kaya magdabit na muna. Hindi! Maghihipa. Maghihiga naman sila. Ay, mag-uupo. Upo. Upo. Tsaka ito, uupo muna dito. Ah, ano na sila sa... Mga Hi, guys!
Okay, then let me hear him talk. You close your mouth.
Hi, guys! Wait! Tawang DBO muna tayo. Itong DBO muna. Naka-face reveal na tayo kanina. Pero yung hati ko, bye!